period of 15 years witnesses an ambitious journey on which XCMG Excavator worked around the clock to grow its promising business. We have long been putting our clients at the center of our cause, exploring the needs of multi-dimensional working conditions and staying committed to providing the best solutions. Continued efforts were made to efficiently apply advanced technologies in the mining industry while maintaining lucid waters and lush mountains. Vigorous driving forces were injected into the new infrastructure to unleash the potential of the coordinated regional development. The fertile land is a vast place where we contribute to China's rural revitalization. A low-key job was done to boost the water conservancy that benefits the locals. Solid work was completed to build our forest-sound ecological barriers. Commitments were delivered to introduce more roads to make our cities thrive. A new blue ocean of trade was launched to bring about more efficient materials handling. Assistance is provided to ensure each and every train journey safe and sound. Electricity is utilized to energize our machineries for a green future with low carbon emissions. Meet customer demands, pursue customer satisfaction, and create greater value of global customers for their experience.